Today I am showing you my special car which I have made from a special technology named RA technology. It is useful for those persons which have not legs or handicaps. This is a remote control car. Here it has some wheels over there. You can control it from your remote. I will show you. See, and if you will place it more bigger wheels, then it will work more easily. But for demo, I have only fixed it in fixed it small wheels. So let's try how it works. See, it goes right to left. For demo, I have taken small engine. If you want to stand in it, then you have to fix a bigger engine because we can cover it. If you want to only play with it, then you can place it this LED because it LED helps it to look nice, and it also you can also use to scare people because from it LED it comes very dangerous lights in night. That's why you can scare people from it. How if I put it here, see. There it is circuit board of it, two batteries, on off switch, and some wheels. That's all. Thank you.